Welcome back to Health and Wellness 101, your go-to channel for all things health-related. Today, I want to talk about something that's perfect for this time of year: detoxifying foods for a fresh start to your spring diet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Detoxing sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's not about extreme diets or juice cleanses. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods that support its natural detoxification processes. So let's dive into some of my favorite detoxifying foods. First up, we have leafy greens like kale and spinach. These powerhouses are packed with antioxidants and fiber, helping to flush out toxins and boost your energy levels. Next, we have citrus fruits like lemons and grapefruits. Not only are they refreshing, but they also contain high levels of vitamin C, which supports liver function and aids in detoxification. And let's not forget about the mighty ginger and turmeric. These spices have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve digestion, making them perfect additions to your detoxifying meals. Remember, detoxing is not a quick fix, but rather a lifestyle choice. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the love and care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be diving into the world of mindful eating. Until then, take care and be well.